Pause the video and have a go at expanding the brackets for each of the following. Then restart the video where I will go through the solutions step by step. There's no sign here which implies multiplication. This x will multiply this x, and that will give x squared. This x will then multiply this 3, and that will give 3x. There's no sign here which implies it's positive. There's no sign here which implies it's positive. And a positive times a positive will give a positive. Now, it's the case that we don't need to put the positive in front of this, because by implication, no sign there means it's positive. There's no sign here which is positive. This is positive, and a positive times a positive gives a positive. So we can see that this will expand to this, often referred to as removing brackets. There's no sign here which implies multiplication. We can therefore see that this y multiplies the x. Now this will give yx, but it's usual to write this in alphabetical order, so this would be xy. We then can see that the y will multiply the 5, and this will give 5y. We then can turn our attention to this, which is negative. If you look in front of the x, there's no sign which implies it's positive, and a negative times a positive is a negative. We can then consider this sign again, and this sign, and we can see we have a negative times a positive, so that will give a negative. Consequently, we can see that this will expand to this.